Okay, here we are on the head for my Hilux Surf, which is the 3-liter diesel or the 1KZ-TE. And right now we're compressing the valves into, or I guess the valve springs, and setting the valves in place, which has been pretty complicated lately. So we found a pretty surefire method for easily compressing them, especially if you're doing this job on your own instead of having 2 people and using a Harbor Freight or Princess Auto compressor. You can just do this on your own quite easily. The thing is, we take your spring, once your valve's in, you're gonna set the valve and the head on a piece of wood so that the valve can't drop out. Then you're gonna put your spring in place. You're gonna grab your cap and insert your 2 pins. Nice and easy. Set it on top and make sure you center it so that it's centered on the valve, or on the valve. And then you're gonna take like a piece of plastic. This is just tape with some saran wrap and stuff on it. Works pretty good. And insert it in here nice and evenly. And then we're gonna take a piece from a valve compressor from Princess Auto or Harbor Freight and push it over top, like so. Next, we're gonna take a wood vise, a metal one preferably if you have it, and come over top and clamp like so. This part is a little harder to get aligned. Just get a little pressure on it and then make sure you get it aligned and centered. And then you press down on it until you see the valves. Oh, so that one was a failed attempt. So right now, as you can see, it's compressed and it's holding in. The 2 locking pins have now locked in place, and you can just let off some pressure and the spring will come back up. And if everything goes as planned, there, your pins are now set into the plate, the springs are compressed, and your valves are in place. As easy as that. No complicated twisting or pushing, just a simple wood vise and a piece of rubber or plastic. That's all you need.